The Toms River Elks decided to thank their first responders at the Community Medical Center Hospital, but they had to do it from at least 6 feet away. So here was the turnout of cars that lined up outside the hospital, cheering and thanking the nurses and doctors. Welcome back to Jersey Matters. How are our pets being affected by COVID-19? Our Sherry Karabin spoke with a veterinarian.
Thank you, Larry. As healthcare workers and emergency responders rush to secure masks and other personal protective equipment to help keep themselves safe, those who care for our four-legged friends are instituting new procedures as well, including less contact with pet parents, and in some cases, telemedicine.
Can we just get a look at him on the video here?
Sure.
Vince Trapicchio is concerned about his 3-year-old golden doodle Chester, who started limping after an intense play session with his younger brother. But thanks to the new telemedicine service offered at Mount Laurel Animal Hospital in New Jersey, he's able to have Chester seen right away without leaving his home. Something that's especially important now as the number of COVID-19 cases continues to soar.
We're using TeleVet, which is an app that we've instituted a few weeks ago, and it's really a lot of veterinarians are incorporating that into their general everyday practice. So we're available. Since we're a 24-hour hospital, you can get one of our doctors and reach out to the client at any time of the day.
This is a great way for us to be able to help some pets from afar, and also to help people know that if there are some things that they can do at home rather than risking coming out into public at this time.
In Chester's case, this veterinarian is hoping a 3-day course of anti-inflammatory medication and some rest will do the trick. But she's not ruling out an on-site visit altogether.
After that 3-day period, if he's still favoring it a bit, we might want to get him in and just get one of our doctors' hands on him to make sure something else hasn't happened.
Okay, sounds like a plan to me. Other than in-person visits, this is a great alternative for the obvious reasons, not only now with the COVID scare, but just in general for routine questions. It just makes life a lot easier for really everybody involved, I think.
Mount Laurel Animal Hospital's televet service isn't free, but the charge is applied to an owner's overall bill should an on-site visit be necessary later on. It's also most useful for existing clients whose pets have been seen within the last year.
If you have not been seen here before, it will be more of an in-depth triage where we can help you decide if what you're seeing is actually emergent or not. We won't be able to prescribe medications for any animals that we don't have a current relationship with in our practice.
TeleVet isn't the only way Mount Laurel Animal Hospital has adapted its procedures. The owners have also instituted curbside check-in, which keeps pet owners in their cars and out of the waiting room, limiting contact between clients and staff members.
Clients will pull up to the hospital. They may interact with a receptionist outside or in our foyer at a safe distance, and then they will wait in their car until a nurse can go and take the animal from the owner, and we will bring that animal into the hospital, into an exam room with our doctor and a nurse.
Once a diagnosis is made, the owner gets a phone or video call to discuss potential tests and treatment options. In simple cases, the owner can remain in the car while the pet is being treated. If it's going to be an extended wait or an overnight stay, clients are free to leave and come back when it's time for pickup.
It does make it much easier. I no longer have to go in. I can sit here, work from my car, and they take the dog in, do what they need to do with our pets, and bring them back.
And it's safer.
It is definitely safer because, again, we're not all mingled in one waiting room and sharing germs.
When you learned about curbside check-in, what did you think?
Oh, I thought it would be kind of weird to have somebody come up to your car and take your animal into the vet, but it's turned out great. They were able to come up, the dog got out perfectly without crying, and it was great.
While curbside check-in is getting high marks from pet owners, they say they're looking forward to the day when contactless visits will no longer be necessary. In Mount Laurel, this is Sherry Karabin reporting for Jersey Matters.